Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Gear Spec. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the service oil life on a BMW E46. And this procedure is the same from 1995 until 2005. And it's pretty straightforward, so all you need to do is hold this knob here on the left side of the cluster while putting the key on and turning to just the first position, not the second. Do not start the car. The first position while holding this, and I'll show you how to. Okay, let's start holding. There, until it shows test, and that goes away for, there we are, reset, and then you wanna let go and hold again until reset starts flashing. And once that happens, then let go and press again. So as you can see, now we are at 15,525,000 miles, and it's done. So now let's get the key off, and as you see, the oil reset is done. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.